Welcome to Retro Scale Modelling. This is Revell's Grease Lightning 44 build. Scale is 1:25. This is the final reveal video for this build. Before I show you the actual final reveal, just a little bit about the kit first of all. Now, as I said in the introduction, I haven't really built that many cars, so I'm trying to get into building things I don't really do much of anymore. So hence why I done this car. I'm going to be doing more aircraft as well, I think. Now, this is a nice little kit to get back into if you're looking to get into cars, or like me, you're a bit rusty on them and you just want to see how well you can do. So I'm quite impressed with this kit. From the instructions to the actual build, the instructions themselves are a bit old and dated, but what I really liked about them was the list of parts, showing you about telling you exactly what the parts are, not just number 2, but I would say I will give you the number and the name of the part of the actual vehicle, so like the carburetor, the exhaust, and so forth. So it was especially good for me because I'm not really mechanical minded, so I don't know what parts are called what generally, a very basic understanding. So that taught me what the actual parts were. So it gave you a really good understanding what the part was and how it goes on. The kit itself went together beautifully. There was a couple of little sticking points, but they were mostly due to me, nothing to do with the kit as well. So I can't praise this kit high enough. I really enjoyed building it, and I think it looks really fantastic the way it's been built. I would recommend this kit to anyone, a beginner to advanced alike. There'll be something for everyone in this kit, and it's not too difficult to follow if you've never built a plastic model kit before. So all that's left to say now is if you haven't done so already, why don't you check out the channel and see if there's something else on that channel that you would like to get built. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't done already, if you like what you see. If you hit the notification bell, you'll be kept up to date on my next build and my future builds, of course. Hit the like button. Don't be afraid to leave a comment. It could be anything, I don't mind. Even a suggestion what to build next. I may have a moustache, or I may be able to get hold of the kit. It's always nice to hear from you guys to see what you would like to see to get building next. So until my next build, I hope you enjoyed the final reveal. Don't forget to share this video as well also. But for now, thank you all very much for watching. Bye bye.